if you guys want better perks in Roblox, like maybe you want a notification when one of your friends are online, or maybe you want to get a notification about anything, or like better perks. But unfortunately, Roblox doesn't have that many perks in the settings, so unfortunately. But there's an extension you can get on Chrome extensions, so you have to be in Google Chrome. It's called Roblox Plus, and it's totally safe, for sure safe, and it's by a person that works for Roblox. So don't worry if it'll get your account hacked. It won't. It's safe. I've been using it for a long time. So go to Google extensions, Chrome extensions on Google Chrome. Once it loads, go in the search and search up Roblox Plus. You can type plus in too, but it won't come that good. And don't get any other Roblox stuff. Just Roblox extension. Make sure it's by a developer from Roblox that's trusted. Make sure it's this one by WebGL3D. It says Roblox Plus. This is the one. So it's by WebGL3D. He works for Roblox, so don't worry. And it has a lot of cool perks. Like, it's very helpful. It's amazing, and I love it. So just go to add to Chrome, and then it'll pop up here, and then you just add a Chrome, and it'll pop up. But I'm not gonna get it because I'm not using my computer for gaming. But like, yeah. So this is it, and there's gonna be a bunch of perks like here. So if you go into the settings in Roblox, you can have a bunch of perks. It's amazing. But anyway, guys, thank you guys for watching. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.